let's do this T2 next. I need a break. I've been like really been hit hard with some complex projects. Some of them have been documented here and others haven't, but I need some real straightforward, easy work, relatively speaking, compared to the other things I'm doing. And this will fit the bill very well. And also, I mean, it's just time to do it, right? So what year did this thing come out? 91. So 91, I was 19 years old. Oh my God. You don't even want to know what kind of shit I was getting into when I was 19 years old. I was up to no good. So I was having a good time though. So I'm not going to show you every little nick and scratch in the game and a Playfield and every wire and hack or any of those things, because it doesn't really matter. And I'll tell you why it doesn't matter. I'm going to replace the cabinet. I'm going to replace the Playfield. I'm going to replace the plastic set. I'm going to replace the back glass. There's nothing here to talk about that's going to be reused. Even the apron looks good. I mean, so not much to do other than just to do what I'm about to do, which is take this shell of a T2 and basically turn it into a brand new one. I can tell you it's probably going to be what I would like to call like kind of an over-the-top build. So a lot of chrome, a lot of lighting, shaker motor, pin sound, auxiliary power supply, that whole thing. And you know, that's pretty much what the future holds for this thing. So I'd rather just start doing it. Here we go.
I got sun rays. If night was longer, could I escape the day? If I was stronger, I could be a mountain range. If night was longer, could I escape?
All right, that'll serve as our T2 intro. I just pieced that together. I've been actually working on that for a couple weeks, but a lot of times what happens with my projects is I'm setting the stage for the actual project long before I set the project up. So usually, like, I'll just give an example. I'll probably spend most mornings doing what I like to call my dirty work. That's gonna be my paint work, my prepping my cabinets, that kind of thing. I'll catch a workout at lunchtime, I'll take a shower, and then I'll spend the afternoon and into the evening doing my rebuilds and my assemblies. So the ones that I was starting a few weeks ago are the ones I'm finishing today. It's kind of like a wheel, it keeps turning, and I depend on that momentum in order to make this work, because this is a lot of work for one person. And if I lose that momentum, it's almost devastating. It's really hard, and I've had a lot of momentum killers lately. So that's how I kind of just piece some of this stuff together, try to set the stage for you. But we're up and running with the T2. Should go pretty smooth from here. We'll get more into like a real time, like, okay, this is what's actually happening, and do it, as opposed to where I'm trying to piece together, you know, what's happened in the weeks prior to. So there we go, T2 off to a good start.